अच्छा। अंगराज बाగున్నారా? నమస్కారం అన్న బాగున్నారా? ये सर हमारे इंचार्ज आपने पूछा ना बंगारा सर बंगारा बंगारा एमपी है सर आपको पता है साइकिल लेके रोज आते रहते हैं पार्लियामेंट में आपको पता है हाँ जी सर सर आपने पूछा अदिति सर अशोक जी का बेटी है सर सीना सर प्रिंसिपल मैडम
नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग।
रेशमा थैंक यू
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग
This is Ketna, Guide Captain of AP Model School, Bhagapuram. We heartily welcome to our school, sir.
थैंक यू
Good morning, sir. This is Dilip, Scout Captain of AP Model School, Bhagapuram. We heartily welcome you to our school, sir.
थैंक यू दिलीप।
Teacher! Chal!
General salute! Salami! Yes! Good! Bajo! Yes! श्रीमान गार्ड निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है गार्ड बगैर चस सेंट्री खड़े रहे गार्ड विसर्जन
सर हमने एवरी स्कूल को हमने ये बना दिया सर आप देखें ना जो बेस्ट परफॉर्मर्स है लेफ्ट साइड से बेस्ट परफॉर्मर सर पूरे लिस्ट कर दिया सर स्कूल का बेस्ट परफॉर्मर सर एवरी स्कूल नाउ शुड शो सर आपका परफॉर्मिंग स्टूडेंट्स क्या है
ये 10th और 12th दोनों।
ये 10th है सर ये 10th है सर
ये इज अप टू 10th स्टैंडर्ड।
ये 10th
We have
Plus
सो क्लास 1 to 12।
1 to 6 to 12.
62
How many acres land you have here?
3.5.
You don't have playground here.
We have, sir. We have playfields. We
Beach.
have
Under PMC, we have developed three components, sir. Volleyball, Kho-Kho, and
double.
badminton.
Sir, playfields.
So before introduction of PMC, after introduction of PMC, we will also discuss how PMC took this school to the next level.
Over transformation.
The kitchen garden.
अच्छा बोलो के then and now।
हाँ जी सर देन एंड नाउ दोनों में सर प्ले ग्राउंड साइंस लैब्स किचन गार्डन्स पैल लैब्स
How we utilize the CS effectively.
బాగున్నారా Let's go.
Morning, sir. My name is Suresh. I'm founder to explain about the FLN initiative in Andhra Pradesh. As per NEP and NCF National Curriculum Framework, the NCERT has developed the 54 items Jadupita remix.
तेलुगु
తెలుగు సార్
Jadupita.
Jadupita.
So same we translated
Jadupita.
and populated.
तेलुगु it is also जादू पीटा।
Telugu it is magic. Abdutala Pete, we call it as a Jadu. In Bangladesh, we customize the material into 62 items. This Jadu Pita contains soft toys and wooden play materials and print-rich material and musical instruments. AP, Andhra Pradesh is the first state in the country procured the 12,000 kits and distributed to 12,000 schools as per budget contest. And additionally, mini Jadu Pita kit also procured with the
for बाल बाटिका।
pre-primary to grade 2, sir. So including up to grade 2, sir.
Yes, all this material up to grade 2।
Up to grade 2. Sir, for grade 3, we have introduced one campaign, sir, guaranteed effort. This is a minister's brainchild. Every student should get at least basic levels of learning.
So we're taking the competencies of picture identification, letter identification, word reading, paragraph reading,
And you are preparing
writings.
from
The
beginning for the usher or for a kind of
yes,
usher.
giving the students with the
Preparing for the
Yes, sir.
day one.
क्योंकि सर एसर रिपोर्ट में देखे ना सर, आंध्रा इज नाउ नॉट परफॉर्मिंग वेल सर. सो टू प्रिपेयर टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर डेफिशिएंसीज आर, हमने क्लासिफिकेशन भी किया सर, स्काई स्ट्रीम एंड ऐसे क्लासिफिकेशन माउंटेन.
But this is the Nipun.
Nipun, sir. Yes, our Nipun Lakshya to achieve by 2026, sir. But sir, we are taking 2 more years. We wanted to sustain this initiative for next 2 years.
No, and now we're coming out with Nipun 2 also.
Nipun 2, yes, sir. We are aligned.
tool भी use
AA based, the tool is designed and integrated in the LEAP app, sir. So oral reading fluency, the test will be ask the letters and mic will be automatically recognized with the help of the Google backend, and the results will be come, sir. So first start with the picture identification, letter, word, para, story, and writing part.
So henceforth when a new Parak will be,
Yes, sir.
it will be AI enabled, then assessment will be instant.
Yes, sir. Yes.
First class to fifth class, around 13 lakh students are assessed in this, sir. And even in the national also we got benchmark in the grade 3, sir. Mathematics.
Recently, sir, we have crossed the national level achievement, sir. Earlier, 2 years before,
Through internal assessment.
yes, sir. But this is done by third party, sir.
Third party, diets and the CRPs.
Our
for
students
all
will
38
come, sir. Diet students and Bachelor of Education students will come.
They have done.
Using the tool.
टीचर ने नहीं किया सर.
It's a teacher independent assessment, sir. Even now we are going to engage a third party to audit these results, sir. In the next 2 months, the
Now
audit
we
will
are
take
going to come out with the PGI.
TCA, yes, sir.
Sometime you also analyze.
Yes, sir.
You map with your own
yes,
thing.
sir. We are in the Akanksha 2, sir. We wanted to achieve
Akanksha.
Akanksha 2.
Andhra, as I will just so propose, another time will come.
Yes.
How will she, by end of the July, there will be PGI index. After that, for the 26-27, we have to plan how, by the next PGI, next Parak, it has to be substantially.
We are on it, sir. Even in recent PAP also, Secretary sir mentioned the same thing. Andhra is in the middle band. So you have a better opportunity to improve further.
Because
of the
last 2-3 years, you all have given much important FLA
initiative. Yes, sir.
and the digital lesson, learning outcome, but it has to be come out with a performance.
Correct.
Sir set only one benchmark, sir. Whatever you do, we wanted to improve the learning outcome. That is only he is talking to all of us. So only single language, sir. Improving learning outcomes.
Learning and nutrition.
and nutrition.
सर ये हमारा
Issue of the capacity building to the teachers, sir.
Teachers
so
handbook.
we have developed the certificate course for the Gnana Prakash, including the play-based methodology, community engagement, and inclusive education and
That's in
NDS, sir.
Telugu.
It is a
Yes,
3
Pure
years
Telugu,
of
sir.
course.
अच्छा किया.
For all foundational teachers, including Anganwadi teachers, sir, we have introduced the 3 years course, sir. 120 days, 60 days. This is the third year, sir. By end of this year, sir, all
And
teachers will be
collaboration is the
certified.
Pratham.
हाँ जी सर.
And sir, last time we have asked our ministers sir about the tribal primers, sir. So, we have 6 tribal languages, sir. So these are the bridge between from home to their school, sir. It's a readiness.
Adivasi Oriya.
Yes, sir.
Workbooks, sir.
Odia is there, sir.
Odia.
Hindi is there.
Sir.
So,
This is Adivasi Oriya.
6
yes,
languages,
sir.
sir.
6 tribal languages, sir. We have predominantly 6 PBTs in the state, sir. So,
No, explain me a little bit. When you're talking about Adivasi Oriya, what it has written?
sir, it's
So two multi-languages, sir. One is in the tribal language, one is in the English language. So students have any language is a foreign language. To understanding this, we are connected like this, sir.
Yeah.
English is a common, and Odia and Adivasi.
Pronounce that, na?
so Bose process. Bose process.
Bojha?
Coach Usas.
And I
Heavy
found
light.
Some of the Oriya
Yes, sir.
meaning in that.
Yes.
हाँ जी
Boj
सर.
yani heavy.
Heavy,
light.
usas light.
Usas
Heavy
light.
light. So it's a transition from their home language to the school language, sir.
Explain this one.
Sir, Bose, Achor, Take, Kora. Tick the one that is heavy.
So they have to take the
Sir,
heavy.
Usas, Achor, Take, Kora. Tikuman, Mesaite, Uncle, Leka.
It's a tribal language with Oriya
हाँ
meaning
हाँ जी सर.
and with the Telugu lipi.
तेलुगु लिपि यस सर. तेलुगु लिपि.
Lipi Telugu.
लिपि
the
तेलुगु.
primer.
करेक्ट.
Can I take this one?
सर बुरे आप किट भेज देंगे.
No.
All 6.
And another initiative, sir, the Ministry of WDC released the Adarshila Curriculum 2024, sir. SCRT WDC together translated into Telugu and contextualized into the AP contest, sir. Around 131 activities are there, 48 weeks the day-wise
This
activities.
is one for ECC.
ECC, sir. Early childhood.
My
curriculum.
suggestion to education department will be, now in all India level, WCT and
हाँ जी
education have two sets of literature. For teachers guide
No,
book,
sir. We have integrated
Combined.
first time
You
integrated.
also-
Yes, sir.
Last 2 years that convergence we brought in, sir. We are working together to bring ECC. into
और
the
कोलोकेशन के बारे में भी आपने बात किया था सर,
थोड़ा
वो भी हम
इसलिए
शुरू कर दिया
एक
सर।
मॉडल नोट बनाओ।
हाँ जी सर,
इसमें और एक चीज मिला हुआ लोकेशन।
हाँ जी सर,
हेल्थ को मिला।
हाँ
हेल्थ
पढ़ाई भी पोषण
education and women and child welfare.
तीनों मिलके
Done,
at least from pre-pregnancy.
Yes, sir.
The chain is starting from pre-pregnancy.
1000 days.
Pregnancy.
1000 days.
Pregnancy to age 22. His Honorable Minister,
एंड टू एंड मेरा ये सर।
then only by when giving emphasis for 10-15 years, then there will be a new Andhra.
करेक्ट सर, सही है सर।
This is not a
सर ये हमारा प्रोग्रेस कार्ड है सर, विच वी गिव टू एवरी चाइल्ड सर एवरी ईयर। एंड पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग हमारे पास दो बार होते हैं सर एक साल में, जो मुख्यमंत्री साहब भी आते हैं सर। पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग बोथ ही अटेंड्स एंड लोकल लीडरशिप भी अटेंड करते हैं सर। एंड एवरी चाइल्ड विद द पेरेंट दे सिट, दे डिस्कस इट एंड क्लोज इट। सो टीचर विल सिट विद एवरी पेरेंट सर। थैंक यू।
Readiness program, sir.
This is transition from Anganwadi to first grade, sir. Readiness program, bridge course, sir.
And Vidya Pravesh.
Yes, sir. Vidya Pravesh, adopted from
Exactly.
Vidya Pravesh.
That 6
Same
years
model,
of
sir.
program we are doing it, sir. And this year, sir, we have done Badi Ki Pota campaign, sir. We got 1 lakh additional enrollment from private schools to the government schools, sir. So
That I
that
like
was
to understand again.
driving on daily basis to us, sir.
Sir, with all merit, sir. आपको डाउट आ रहा है इसके ऊपर?
So it's
Doubt नहीं है,
Assessment.
but I have to learn that one. That
Sir,
is the
sir.
model.
assessment, sir.
सर दिस इज अ न्यू प्रोग्राम सर। हमने क्या किया है, अब जो एग्जाम्स होता है दे राइट ऑन पेपर सर, कागज़ के ऊपर लिख के, फिर पेपर्स कहाँ हैं पता नहीं सर। एंड ऑफ द ईयर किस सब्जेक्ट में किस फाउंडेशनल लर्निंग में स्टूडेंट इज वीक, नन ऑफ अस नो सर। नाउ वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस असेसमेंट बुकलेट सर, जो दे राइट देयर एग्जामिनेशन एंड देन इट बिकम्स ईजी। दिस विल बी विद द चाइल्ड फॉर द एंटायर ईयर सर। So end of the year, before going for finals, the teacher can sit, review it. This gets integrated to the holistic report card, and then sir, the marking भी चलते हैं sir. So they just scan this, it will update their Leap app sir.
ये Leap app में आता है।
Leap app में examination results.
Then it's going to data center.
हाँ
Yes,
जी
sir,
sir.
and it was already linked to the Vijay Samiksha Kendra, sir, our VSK at central level.
माने Leap platform is linked to VSK.
Yes,
आज भी इसके
we
sir.
got already APS, we have exchanged.
भला, भला sir. चालो नहीं. ये दीदी values. हाँ इवन इवन. All right.
So it's the academic calendar, sir.
ఇది మన చాగంటి కోటేశ్వర గారితో చేసిన ఇదే కదా మనం
Separate one academic calendar.
అడిగారు సార్ అందుకే
All the
ఏం చేసావు నువ్వు అని అడిగారు
I think this one.
Yes, sir.
सर। लास्ट पॉइंट सर,
Ready reckoner for all the teachers.
सर आपने वैल्यू एजुकेशन के बारे में बात किया ना सर, ये सर। सो फर्स्ट ग्रेड का है सर, इन्हों है चागंटी कोटेश्वर साहब सर, और उन्होंने
ये सारे को तेलुगु करें।
तेलुगु का सर, लोकल लैंग्वेज। सो वी हैव डन सर ऑन लोकल लैंग्वेज सर। सो एवरी ग्रेड के लिए कर दिया सर, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ सिक्स सेवन्थ टेंथ तक पूरे कर दिया सर।
ये दो मेरे।
हाँ जी।
Your modern school has a separate cadre.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They have separate service rules. They have separate recruitment. First time we have recruited the teachers who were studied with the English medium. This is the first type
This is
first set of
CBSE?
English medium.
नहीं
State board.
स्टेट बोर्ड है सर।
लेकिन ये पुराने गवर्नमेंट की तब सर्व शिक्षा अभियान था।
Yes, sir.
क्या था वो?
राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिका सर्व शिक्षा अभियान RMS है सर।
RMS था।
Yes, sir.
RMS की स्कीम है ये।
हाँ, yes,
बाद
sir.
में समग्र में कन्वर्ट हुआ।
Convert किया,
Then
sir.
it's became a model school.
हाँ,
Yes, sir. After that, sir, state took over, sir. Central withdrawn the support, and state took over. Sir.
So from class 6 to
2 plus
12, how many students you have?
I have 767 students, sir. 500 in school, sir, and 267 in college. School
Plus two.
sections, 6
Plus
to
two.
10. Yes, sir. I have 500 students, and college section I have 267.
You are naming it as college.
Higher secondary, sir. And +1, +2.
But you are using the term college.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 11th and 12th junior college.
Junior college.
Junior
In
college.
syllabus, we refer to it as junior college.
Yeah.
And CBSE
There's a
as
big
well,
debate.
+2.
That's why sir is asking
Yes,
very
sir.
clearly on that subject. I know.
And we have 4 groups. We give MPC, BIPC, CEC, and NEC also.
Sir, this is the student kit that we give, sir. Sir, uniforms, shoes, belt, bags और सर्वेपल्ली राधा कृष्ण साहब के नाम से दे रहे सर. वो किट उनके नाम से दे रहे सर. विथ ऑल दी बुक्स पूरे देते सर. और सर डिक्शनरी भी इट इज़ नाउ विथ रीजनल सेंसिटिविटी सर. पिछली बार आपसे बोला कि 2-3 चीज़ में दिक्कत हुई. उनसे बात करके दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड रीजनल सेंसिटिविटी. हमने चेंज
In border areas, sir, Oriya, Kannada,
वो भी डिक्शनरी दे रहे सर.
we are giving 4 regional language dictionaries in the border areas for their transition, their mother tongue to the English, sir.
सर आपसे बात हुई ना सर जब गाड़ी में आ रहे थे सर. वी हैव नाउ डन केपीए डैशबोर्डिंग सर. केपीए कंसोलिडेटेड जो स्कूल एजुकेशन बोर्ड ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट हमारा 11th 12th होता है. हायर एजुकेशन, स्किल डेवलपमेंट, एडल्ट एजुकेशन सर. सर हमें 82% आ गया सर. अभी 82% आ गया सर. बाई 27 एंड 100% लिटरेसी हम करेंगे सर. सो सर हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट असेंबली मंडल क्लस्टर स्कूल जो केपीएस हम ट्रैक कर रहे हैं सर.
इसमें जो हमने बात सुझाव दिया ना, जो राज्य में
हाँ जी सर.
जितने बच्चे बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट लेते हैं,
एग्जैक्टली.
एंटर ट्रैकिंग शुड अप टू
स्किल सर.
सर.
स्किल तक हम ट्रैक करना है सर. सही सर.
ये पूरा ट्रैकिंग, तो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स की पूरा मैपिंग.
और सर जो भी डेटा मैं देख रहा हूँ सर सेम डेटा अप टू HM स्कूल लेवल भी वही डेटा पॉइंट ट्रैक करेंगे सर. डेटा बदलेगा क्योंकि स्कूल का डेटा डिफरेंट है और कंसोलिडेटेड मैं देखूंगा सर. सर एनरोलमेंट कितना है, देन एनरोलमेंट ड्राइव है, लर्निंग आउटकम्स है सर. सो हमने ट्रैक कर दिया कि वीकली अटेंडेंस स्टूडेंट का क्या है, हम सेंट्रली ट्रैक कर रहे हैं. टीचर अटेंडेंस क्या है और मिड डे मील का कंजम्पशन क्या है. और हमारा इंस्पेक्शन जो है स्कूल का जो MEO DO वो हमने ऑटोमेट कर दिया सर. लीप ऐप में रैंडमाइजेशन में बस ये स्कूल जाना है और ये क्वेश्चन है उन्होंने ऑनलाइन में ही एंटर करना है सर. ड्रॉप आउट्स है सर. दिस इज द बिगर प्रॉब्लम सर. हम जब गाड़ी में आपको बताए थे ड्रॉप आउट्स में हम ट्रैक कर रहे हैं. देन आउट ऑफ
1% प्राइमरी एकदम एंट्री लेवल पे.
नहीं सर ये पूरे है सर. डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एंड टू एंड है सर टिल 10th सर.
नहीं, ज़्यादा होगा
सर 2.8% है सर. स्टेट एवरेज इज 2.9 सर. हमारा टारगेट है लेस देन. ये टारगेट है सर.
ये टारगेट.
यस सर. सो हम अगर ये देखें ना सर किस स्टेट वेयर इज विच स्टेट. सो यू सी विजयनगरम 1.29% है सर. सो मेरे को पता है कि कृष्णा में 3.72 है. इट इज़ नंबर 23 आउट ऑफ 28 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स. सो हमने ये पूरे ट्रैक कर दिया सर. सो मनियम में ये सब्जेक्ट में नेगेटिव है. जब कलेक्टर साहब देखेगा ना सर ये इंस्पेक्टेड स्कूल्स में वीक है. और जब कलेक्टर साहब भी देखेगा, मेरा DO देखेगा, ये डेटा देखेगा सर. सो उसमें बहुत आसान हो जाता है सर. सो हमने ड्रॉप आउट ऐसे ट्रैक कर रहे हैं सर. आउट ऑफ स्कूल सर नेवर एनरोल्ड, ड्रॉप आउट प्लस नेवर एनरोल्ड चिल्ड्रन हमारे हिसाब से 4,24,000 स्टूडेंट्स हैं सर. सो वी आर नॉट ट्रैकिंग ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट. कहाँ है वो स्टूडेंट.
जो मैंने कहा ना एकदम डे 1 से ट्रैक करो.
Exactly.
मैंने ये नेवर एंटेड स्कूल्स
और ड्रॉप आउट भी सर. ड्रॉप आउट प्लस नेवर एनरोल्ड सर दोनों है सर. सो अब ये भी हम ट्रैक करें और कहाँ भी विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज वर्स्ट विल नो सर. 25 में कृष्णा एक है, मनियम 28
ट्राइबल डिस्ट्रिक्ट
ट्राइबल
हमारा उड़ीसा बोर्डर.
हाँ जी सर. 8,764 स्टूडेंट्स. सो अब इसको ट्रैक कर रहे हैं सर. पहली बार वी आर डूइंग दिस एंटायर एंट्रेंस. अब ये देख लीजिए सर. अपने गारंटीड FLN अभी बताया ना सर आपको. हमारा टारगेट है मोर देन 95%. वी आर एट 62%. सो ये ट्रैक करेंगे सर. और सर इधर डेट भी लग गया सर. व्हाट इज डेली ट्रैकिंग, मंथली ट्रैकिंग, क्वार्टरली ट्रैकिंग. सो हमको आसान हो जाता है सर. देन ये बेस लाइन एंड लाइन है सर. देन वी डू स्टूडेंट कैटेगराइजेशन सर. हमारे हिसाब से देर आर शाइनिंग स्टार्स, देर आर एस्पायरिंग स्टार्स. सो वी आर डूइंग ब्रेकअप ऑफ देम सर. एंड देन उनका परफॉर्मेंस कैसे इंप्रूव करना है. सो टारगेटेड अप्रोच. देन सर आपने बोला है पिछले बार कोलोकेशन ऑफ आंगनवाड़ी सेंटर्स 11,000 हो गया सर. टारगेट है 55,000. सो काम शुरू किया सर. देन ये हेल्थ केयर, हेल्थ वेलबींग मॉनिटरिंग, क्रिटिकल हेल्थ पैरामीटर्स जो हम स्टूडेंट्स को करते हैं वो भी ट्रैक कर रहे हैं सर क्वार्टरली बेसिस. सर लीप ऐप डाउनलोड बाय पेरेंट्स, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स ऐप डाउनलोड है वो भी हम ट्रैक कर रहे हैं सर. स्मार्ट किचन जो गाड़ी में आपसे बात हुई सर वो एक ही डिस्ट्रिक्ट किया है, कड़पा. दूसरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में फॉलो आउट कर रहे हैं सर. सर आपने बविता सेंटर्स हमारे को 125 सेंटर्स आपने सैंक्शन किया है सर, सो उसको भी हम ट्रैक कर रहे हैं सर। सो
भविता
CS
सेंटर क्या कहते हैं? CWSM
CWSM स्टूडेंट्स को,
उसको यहाँ भविता कहते हैं।
हाँ हम बविता कहते हैं। सो वो स्पेसिफिक सेंटर्स हमने किए, और ऑटिज्म सेंटर्स भी है सर, बविता सेंटर्स देन ऑटिज्म सेंटर्स, देन एकेडमिक परफॉर्मेंस सर। सो स्टार रेटिंग में हमने क्या किया सर, वी हैव डन एकेडमिक स्टार रेटिंग, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्टार रेटिंग सर, बेस्ड ऑन अ कॉम्पोजिट फॉर्मूला। सो स्टार रेटिंग भी हम ट्रैक कर रहे हैं सर, एकेडमिक एंड इंफ्रा सर। देन हाउ मेनी स्कूल्स एंड एनरोलमेंट सर, दिस इज ओवरऑल एनरोलमेंट हमारा टारगेट। सो आई से सर वी आर ट्रैकिंग नाउ 39 आइटम्स, लाइन आइटम्स। एंड सर यही ऐसे ही डैशबोर्ड हमने हायर एजुकेशन भी बनाया। तो अगर बोर्ड ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट देखे तो उनका डेटा फ्लो हो जाएगा सर पूरा, उनका 14 KPS।
स्कूल एजुकेशन मीन्स इज अप टू
10th सर, 10th है सर। 11th and 12th comes on board of intermediate सर। देन हायर एजुकेशन का KPS वी हैव स्टार्टेड ट्रैकिंग सर, 7 KPS लाए सर अब तक। अब वो और बढ़ाएंगे सर, इम्प्रूवमेंट और करेंगे इसका, इंक्लूडिंग NIRF रैंकिंग, जेंडर पैरिटी, वो सब भी हम ट्रैक करना शुरू करेंगे। और अडल्ट एजुकेशन का भी अपने टारगेट जो दिया है 100% अचीव करना है। वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द एसर रिपोर्ट सर, दैट इज समथिंग वी आर ट्रैकिंग सर। सो इसमें ऐप भी बना है सर, वो रैंडम नहीं, पूरे ऐप है, एवरी अडल्ट पेरेंट इज टैग्ड इन। सो ऐसे पूरे डैशबोर्ड हम बनाए सर। सो आपने पूछा है ना सर, रियल टाइम गवर्नेंस में ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स वी आर बिल्डिंग डैशबोर्ड, ऐसे कर रहे हैं, ऑल डिपार्टमेंट,
सारे डिपार्टमेंट का
ऐसे ही कर रहे हैं सर।
Establishment of smart kitchens for the midday meal scheme. The PM Portion, Dr. Sitama Madhyana Paribhojanam scheme in Andhra Pradesh is a flagship nutrition program supported by the Government of India, plays a vital role in improving the health, learning and overall development of school children. The scheme is implemented with a strong focus on providing hot, nutritious and hygienic meals to all eligible students every day. To enhance the nutritional value and acceptability of meals, Andhra Pradesh government has taken child nutrition to the next level with a comprehensive nutrition package. A scientifically designed regional menu is being implemented across 4 zones to suit local food habits. Every child receives 5 eggs every week, 3 nutritious millet peanut jaggery chickis, and ragi java on alternate days. These initiatives are not just about providing meals, they are about ensuring better nutrition, healthier children, and stronger learning outcomes. Based on local dietary preferences, along with the supply of fortified fine rice to improve meal quality and consumption, nearly 32 lakh students across 43,218 schools benefit from the program. Despite its significant achievements, many conventional school kitchens continue to face operational challenges including inadequate cooking infrastructure, high manual workload, limited capacity for large-scale meal preparation, challenges in maintaining uniform hygiene and food safety standards, delays in meal preparation and distribution. To address these challenges, the Smart Kitchen initiative has been introduced as an innovative enhancement to the existing system. The Smart Kitchen model complements this approach by adopting local cooking practices and ensuring the supply of fresh, hot and palatable meals. The initiative enables end-to-end online monitoring of meal preparation and delivery, improving transparency and accountability. It also strengthens food safety and quality standards while safeguarding the livelihood of cook-cum-helpers. The objectives are modernize kitchen infrastructure through machinized and steam-based cooking systems, improve hygiene, safety and consistency in meal quality, enable efficient large-scale production and timely distribution, strengthen monitoring through digital tools and centralized operations, reduce manual effort while ensuring nutritious meals for every child, cover 1,500 to 5,000 students through each smart kitchen. The Smart Kitchen model was first established on a pilot basis in Kadapa district. The Honorable Minister for Human Resource Development inaugurated the first facility at CK Dinne Mandal. At present, 5 smart kitchens are operational in the district, while 10 additional kitchens became operational during the last week of June. A further 23 smart kitchens are scheduled to commence services across Kadapa district in the first week of July. The model incorporates advanced machinized equipment, automated cooking process, steam-based systems, hygienic food handling areas, and improved storage and monitoring facilities. Efficient meal planning, machinized food preparation, and scientific waste management significantly reduce food wastage while ensuring a clean, hygienic and environmentally sustainable cooking ecosystem. Scientific waste management is ensured through source segregation, hygienic disposal of wet and dry waste, and strict sanitation practices. The Kadapa Smart Kitchen pilot has demonstrated remarkable improvements in operational efficiency, cost effectiveness, hygiene and meal quality, making it a scalable model for replication across other districts.
I have identified this initiative and given 2 crores incentive to the collector Kadapa, sir, District Magistrate Kadapa.
वो क्या एक एस्पिरेशनल जिला था क्या?
Kadapa is aspirational, sir. So now we are requesting you to give us some more budget to implement across the state. We have sent
from midday meal regular kitchen to smart
yes, sir,
kitchen.
sir.
भाई.
We are just asking
इसमें
slight modification in the scheme guidelines.
Yes.
सोलार का क्या है? टॉप सोलार है?
Yes, sir. We have connected to the grid, sir. So now we need to calculate how much energy we are going to produce. Sir, so the technical details we go.
है ना, आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट पूरा हो रहा है, रिक्वायरमेंट करके फिर आप ग्रिड में देते हो.
फिर ग्रिड में देते हैं सर, सरप्लस पावर भी मिलते हैं सर.
Welcome to PMC AP Mall Food Bhavapuram. Welcome to sports room, sir. I am Ramya, national volleyball player.
ये बताओ, इस तरह का स्कूल्स आपकी टोटल हाई स्कूल्स कितने हैं?
7,100 सर.
टोटल स्कूल से
43,000.
ऑल काइंड ऑफ स्कूल्स,
All kinds of schools.
एक्सेप्ट प्राइवेट.
Except private government system में 43.
क्या दो ओसेपा इज अकाउंटेबल फॉर ऑल दिस थिंग.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो डू यू हैव a checklist? I think all these are exemplar schools.
Yes,
These are
sir.
plus schools.
हाँ जी सर.
A little bit plus schools.
हाँ जी सर.
But can we identify these are the 5 points?
Yes sir.
In every school it will be there.
सर हमने इसलिए स्टार रेटिंग आपको पता है ना सर डैशबोर्ड के ऊपर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्टार रेटिंग एनेबल्स मी टू टारगेट सर. सो मेरे पास अभी भी स्कूल से 1 स्टार स्कूल से 2 स्टार स्कूल से ये स्कूल रेटिंग अंत इंफ्रालो
4 stars.
4 स्टार है. सो आपने सही बोला ये 4 स्टार है आउट ऑफ 5 स्टार सर. सो ये हमारे पास 1 स्टार 2 स्टार स्कूल्स भी है सर. हम जो टारगेटेड इंटरवेंशन जो कर रहे हैं आप जो पैसे दे रहे हैं कि मन बड़ी मन भविष्य तो जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट का कैंपेन प्रोग्राम है सर वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन द लोअर परफॉर्म 1 star 2 star to upgrade all schools to
criteria.
3.
There is starring.
That's it.
Sometime
Star
I
rating.
would like to understand this star rating system.
हम मैं नोट भेज दूंगा सर मैं आके भी.
Sir, we have given this kind of kit to all 45,000 schools depending on their
This
enrollment.
kind of, हाँ.
This kind of.
तो बेस्ड ऑन देयर लोकल रिक्वायरमेंट सर जो उन्होंने पूछेगा कि मैं वॉलीबॉल करूंगा मैं थ्रो बॉल
We
करूंगा.
are not giving any generic this thing, sir.
स्कूल है दी क्लास
This is vocational labs.
वोकेशनल लैब सर स्किल लैब.
इसको स्किल कहो.
हाँ जी सर आज से मैं स्किल ही बोलूँगा. है ना
Sir, earlier this school having only one sector, sir.
नमस्कार.
With the introduction of PMC, sir, now school having 3 job roles in 3 different skill sectors, sir. So one is the automotive, sir. Second one is IT, sir. Third one is the retail business, sir.
What is there in IT?
Sir, good morning. My name is Sri Jahnvi Priya. She is my project partner, Sai Kriti. Sir, actually ఈ యాప్ అనేది మేము పైథాన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ యూజ్ చేసి చేసాము. సో స్టూడెంట్స్కి అదర్ యాప్స్కి డైవర్ట్ అవ్వకుండా ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ వాట్సాప్ అదర్ యాప్స్కి డైవర్ట్ అవ్వకుండా మేబీ ఈ మధ్యన చాలా స్టూడెంట్స్ మొబైల్స్కి గట్టా అడిక్ట్ అవుతున్నారు కాబట్టి ఈ యాప్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఓన్లీ స్టడీస్కి తప్ప వేరే డిసడ్వాంటేజ్ ఉండదు.
సో మీరు తయారు చేశారు కదా
Yes, sir.
सर दे हैव बिल्ड दिस ऐप पाइथन लैंग्वेज यूज करके ऐप क्रिएट किया कि ओनली फॉर होमवर्क एंड पीरियडिकल असेसमेंट एप्लीकेशन के लिए सो
Self assessment.
सेल्फ
यस सर, पीरियडिकल असेसमेंट्स.
वो बच्चे को रिमाइंडर देता रहता है कि उनका होमवर्क नहीं किया.
मैंने जो आपका मैंने फट से कहा क्या
सही है
कन्वीनियंट माई इजी तेलुगु लैंग्वेज
मदर टंग ही मदर टंग.
मदर टंग.
हाँ जी थैंक यू ना.
आपकी स्कूल में कितने which standard you are studying?
सर 12th स्टैंडर्ड.
12.
यस सर.
You are studying 2 languages. In 12th standard in
Up to
Andhra
10th,
Pradesh.
please, sir.
What are they? What are they?
Telugu, Hindi, English.
You know also Hindi.
Yes, sir. They have Hindi
Kuncham,
up to
kuncham.
10th.
కొంచెం కొంచెం
थोड़ा थोड़ा.
थोड़ा थोड़ा अरे यार जी पूरे बोल दिया
हाथ मिला.
थोड़ा थोड़ा.
These are our student interns, sir, occasional. During the Dasara vacation and summer vacation, we used to send the kids to the internship program, sir. The last summer, in recent summer, sir, they went to automobile industry and they learned how to fix the basic bike things.
ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళారు?
బైక్ మెకానిక్ షాప్.
బైక్ మెకానిక్ షాప్లో నేర్చుకున్నారా? సో స్కిల్ అప్గ్రేడేషన్ సార్ వొకేషనల్ తీసేమన్నారు ఈ రోజు నుంచి. ఇస్ ఇట్ కాలేజ్ స్కిల్?
In which class you are studying?
12th standard. So we are implementing to grade 9 to 12.
In 12 you are, yes, 9 to 12, these are the focus area.
Sir. For 6 to 8, sir, pre-vocational, from last year only onwards, we have introduced 6 skills, sir, given by the NCERT. It's called Kaushal Board, sir. First time I took copyright from them and printed the book.
Isko, how many districts you have?
So
28 sir.
Up 28 into multiple skill sets also.
Yes, sir.
कड़प्पा का स्किल सेट्स अलग होगी, वहाँ पत्थर का काम होगा,
Correct.
Not
पोस्टल
generic.
में आओगे तो मछली का काम होगा. हमें जिले में जो कॉन्टेक्सुअल है ना,
Yes, sir. Yes,
लोकलाइजेशन ऑफ द स्किल,
Yes sir.
हम इन्फॉर्म स्किल मत सिखाएं.
more, sir.
ये सब मोर टुवर्ड्स इन्फॉर्म स्किल है.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, इसको श्रीनिवास जी आपको उनको सारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जो डाइट होगा ना, डाइट में वर्कशॉप लगाओ.
Yes, sir.
री इमेजिन योर डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्किल, व्हाट आर द ट्रेडिशनल स्किल्स, व्हाट आर द प्रेजेंट डे चैलेंजेस, व्हाट यू. तो भोगापुरम एयरपोर्ट इज कमिंग.
Yes, sir.
At
Lot
least
of hospitality
100
services.
new kind of skill will be required.
सही sir.
Ground people, hospitality
And
service.
if the locality will be equipped with this kind of skill,
बदल
self-employment
जाएगा.
will be convert.
सही है.
Otherwise, someone will fill the vacuum.
सही sir.
Man from Andhra will come, Hyderabad will come.
सही है.
And
किसी
my Odia
राज्य-
people will come.
Yes, sir.
Local training
Lot
करना.
of skilled
Done.
manpower.
Contextualize and localize the
Contextualize.
So industry के साथ
हॉस्पिटैलिटी
दो meetings किया
डिपार्टमेंट
था
में
सर
बहुत सारा
हमने
हम
to
ला
map the
सकते हैं.
things.
नहीं बट साहब जो बोला है ना, बुक्स बोला है, वी एनवी डिस्कस्ड इट, बट विल टेक इन स्पिरिट व्हाट सर हैज सेड कि मैप द लोकल रिक्वायरमेंट, क्रिएट स्किलिंग बेस्ड ऑन दैट.
किसी लड़के को गाना अच्छा आता है, उसको कैसे गाने में अपस्किल कैसे होगा.
सही है सर.
Skill is a by choice,
यस यस
by requirement and by choice, both.
बहुत डन सर. एक मिनट सर, बच्चे के साथ फोटो ले लेंगे सर. आई नो.
Photo, please.
कम सर, इधर आइए.
स्कूल खुल गया यार. प्रिंसिपल मैडम, सब स्कूल खोला हुआ, स्कूल ओपन जून 12.
yes, sir.
हो गया, 15 दिन हो गया.
बस
Working days 11, sir. We got 3 holidays.
It's a girls' school.
2 minute library, sir. It's a co-ed, sir.
So there is no
this
boy.
is co-education. More number of girls.
Girls, sir.
Achha, really
Yes,
good.
sir.
And the enrollment 270 increase in the last 3 years, sir.
लास्ट 5 इयर्स
Last 5 years, sir.
मुझे शो है सर, फिर ऊपर क्लास हो जाएगी. हमारे पास कैंडिडेट्स कर
Sir, ये सभी भी ये word acts
सर. फंक्शनल लाइब्रेरी सर, सिग्नेचर्स भी है. कौन आ रहा है, मैं पूछा प्रश्न, इसके लिए रेस्पॉन्स दो.
How many books you have?
Sir, we are supplying these magazines to all PMC schools and KGBVs, sir. Young World, Reader's Digest, and these sports stars.
You give access to all these things in
डिजिटल.
digital.
Digital. Yes, sir.
అది 1 Nation 1 सब्सक्रिप्शन कितना बिल अप्लाई. कंपिटिटिव एग्जाम्स का है.
From last 2 years.
2 इयर्स నుంచి है. स्टूडेंट्स बहुत पूछ रहे सर. ये
pathways also, sir. Whatever careers they can take up after 10
आपके स्कूल में काउंसलर भी होंगे?
है सर.
Mentor?
मैंने रेगुलरली नहीं, हर सब स्कूल्स में 2 years के लिए आएंगे.
वनारा
In the Arabian Sea, small and made of coral.
सर बैठेंगे सर.
Larger,
1 minute time.
forested, and
Chip chip.
volcanic in origin.
आपको समरीज वीडियो बताया ना సార్. అమ్మ ఒక్క నిమిషం. క్లిక్కర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అందరి చేతుల్లో, చేతులు పైకి చూపించండి. हमने ये क्लिकर्स बनाया सर. ओके ఇప్పుడు ప్లే చేయమ్మా सर. 2 मिनट में आपको दिखाएंगे. अंदर చేతి కింద పెట్టారు. आपको भी दे देंगे. प्ले चलिए.
Good morning, sir. This is Krishnaveni,
working as PGD Commerce in this AP Model School, Goa. Today we are discussing the 9th class Geography second lesson, that is Physical Features of India, the introduction part. So let me give you the brief introduction of the major physical divisions of India. So it includes mainly the Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plain, Peninsula Plateau, the coastal plains, and the Indian Great Desert, and the last is the islands. So till now we have discussed about the summary videos. Actually we used to have this summary videos in the last year also. But this year we have got these clickers in the opening of the academic year. So we are following these clickers and the children find it interesting. So now we are going to start with this summary video of the physical features of India.
India's land is full of contrasts, towering snowy mountains, flat fertile plains, dry deserts, ancient plateaus, long coastlines, and even islands surrounded by seas. But these aren't just random features, they are part of a well-defined structure called the physiographic divisions of India. Let's go on a journey across India to explore how its land has been shaped over millions of years. Let's begin in the north, where the land seems to touch the sky. The Himalayan mountains are young and still growing. They stretch for about 2,000.
The Himalayas are the highest mountains of the world. And these stretch from 2004 kilometers from the north to the east. This is the first typical division of the India.
1,400 kilometers from west to east. These mountains have 3 parallel ranges. Himadri, Greater Himalayas, home to India's highest peaks, including Kanchenjunga. Himachal, Middle Himalayas, where you find beautiful valleys like Kashmir and Kulu. Shivalik, Outer Himalayas, known for narrow valleys called dunes like Dehradun.
So here we understood the 3 parts of the Himalayas, that is Himachal, Himadri and the Shivaliks. And the world's highest mountain peaks are found in the Himachal Pradesh.
Himalayas protect us from cold Central Asian winds and are the birthplace of rivers like the Ganga and Brahmaputra. Coming down from the mountains, we enter the vast northern plains, formed by the deposits of the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. These plains are flat, fertile and perfect for agriculture. Divided into 3 parts. Punjab Plains, western section formed by the Indus and its tributaries. Ganga Plains, central and the most extensive part. Brahmaputra Plains, lies to the east. These plains are also divided based on soil features into Bhabar, Terai, Bhangar and Khadar. Most of India's population lives here because of the fertile land and water availability. Now let's move south to the Peninsula Plateau.
So the second physical feature we get is Indo-Gangetic Plain, which is a formation of the Indus, Ganga river and the Brahmaputra. It is the fertile land of the India. Coming to the third division.
To India's oldest landmass. This region is full of hard, ancient rocks and is shaped like an uneven table. It has 2 main parts. Central Highlands, north of the Narmada River, includes the Malwa Plateau. Deccan Plateau, south of the Narmada, forming a triangle bounded by the Satpura, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. The Western Ghats are tall and steep, while the Eastern Ghats are lower and more spread out. Many rivers like Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri start here and flow eastwards. Now we travel west to the Indian desert, also
So
known
the
as
third one is we find is Peninsula Plateau. Peninsula Plateau, where it is bounded by the west side is by the Western Ghats and east by the Eastern Ghats, and the most of the rivers that flow from the west to the east form the deltas in the eastern part of the country, which mainly includes the Godavari, Krishna rivers. We coming to the fourth physical division, that is the Thar
Thar
Desert.
Desert. Located in Rajasthan, this desert is dry, sandy and receives less than 150 millimeters of rainfall each year. It has sand dunes and extreme temperatures. The Luni River is the only major river here, and even that doesn't flow throughout the year. It may look barren, but it's home to vibrant culture and beautiful architecture. Stretching along the edges of the plateau are the coastal plains. India has two. Western coastal plain, narrow, with
Coming to the fourth division is the Thar Desert, and the only river which find is the Luni River. And it is completely have extreme climate. In the summer we have extreme climate, and in the winter it is too cold. So there is an extreme difference in the climate in the Thar Desert. Coming to the
river. Includes Konkan, Kannad and Malabar coasts. Eastern coastal plain, wider, with river deltas, includes northern Sirka and Coromandel coasts. Rivers like the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri form large deltas here. You'll also find Chilika Lake, India's largest saltwater lake along the eastern coast. Finally, let's head out into the sea to explore the islands of India. India has two main island groups. Lakshadweep Islands, in the Arabian Sea, small and made of coral. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, in the Bay of Bengal, larger, forested and volcanic in origin. These islands are rich in biodiversity and play an important role in trade, defense and tourism. Fun fact, Barren Island in the Andamans is home to India's only active volcano. From towering peaks to tropical islands, India's physical features are a blend of nature's creativity and ancient geography. Each region has its own climate, culture, and way of life, but together they make one incredible country. The land of India tells its own story through rocks, rivers, deserts, and forests. And now that you know this story, the map of India will never look the same again. See you in the next class.
Students, all of you be ready with the exam. For the quiz, we are conducting a small evaluation quiz, and all of you be ready with your clickers. So your first question is, which of the following is not one of the three parallel ranges of the Himalayan mountains? So Himalayan mountains which are not parallel to Himalayas, we have to find out the odd one. So are you ready? So at the time we are having given 20 seconds. So everyone, I want spontaneous answers, everyone has to participate. So are you ready? Children, make it up fast. Observe the time. Only 20 seconds you are being given. See why still 34 has not answered. Make it up fast. Okay. So the time is up. Now you can see it. So who is this? Sanpala Kaushik. Who is this Sanpala Kaushik? Just stand up. So very good. He has done he got the first place. Okay. So all the children who attended this option is answer. 65% of our class students have attended. Okay. Coming to the next question. So next question here. The northern plains of India are primarily formed by the deposits of which river? Okay. So are you ready? Next. The second question. Now see. So here is Koya Sagar. Who is this Koya Sagar? Yes. So answer the first place and the first place. Only 1 second here.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. सर ऐसे पूरे समरी वीडियो बना के हाउ डू यू क्रिएट पैसिव लर्निंग टू एक्टिव लर्निंग? नेक्स्ट वन.
Which Physiography division is described as India's oldest landscapes, composed of the hard, ancient rocks and uneven hills. The oldest mountains of India. What are the oldest mountains? So check the options. Come to your answer. So here you have the answer is first is Danal Akhil, first place. So you know what is the answer here in your solution. Next question. The Indian desert, also known as the Thar desert, is located in which state and is characterized by low rainfall and sand dunes. So in which part of our country, which state is having the Thar desert? Okay. Here you got it. Again, this Sanpal Kaushik. Very good. So see all the children who have done it. Next. The west coastal plains describes narrow and short rivers, while the eastern coast plains are wider and continuous. What feature? Take the options. The last question your answer is active volcanoes. So here again, Mangalgiri Raju. The first place. Who is that? Yes, very good. Okay.
River delta.
After you submit, you will get the full analysis of the class. What the students were done. So this is analysis. Overall, the participation of the class is 55% of students have done the correct answers. Okay. And here some uncorrected 45 students. Overall participation of the class is 98%.
अम्मा ఇది ఈ ఇయర్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేశారు కదా దిస్ ఇయర్ वी हैव स्टार्टेड सर लास्ट ईयर हमने पूरे परचेज करके
कौन सी क्लास है ये? Which class?
व्हिच क्लास है
9th and 10th.
నో 9 సర్ అలా చెప్పండి
9th B.
కూర్చోండి మీరు కూడా కూర్చోండి రండి కూర్చో 9th B కూర్చోమ్మా కూర్చో
तो ये this is 9th B geography class.
Yes.
This is geography period.
हाँ जी सर जियोग्राफी कुछ सुना सर
So this is interesting. Yes sir. You like this model? Yes sir. Teacher is good.
Leader dashboard.
Huh?
ఏం పర్లేదులేమ్మా
I have a question to all of you. You have taken breakfast here in school, in a home. Home. What breakfast you have today?
Sir, I eat dosa.
Dosa. Speaking loud.
I eat dosa.
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 So we'll take midday meal here. Huh? Sit. What's your name?
B. Chanakya, sir.
Shake your hand. Chanakya. You know who is Chanakya? Chanakya made whom? Why he is famous?
He's the
Huh? He is the king. King or kingmaker?
kingmaker.
Ah, congratulations. After a clue, you can speak. Thank you. Batao. In how many languages you are studying in the class? What are they? हिंदी समझ में आता है? आता है आपको? बोलो हिंदी में बोलो. बैठिए बैठिए विजय बैठो. आपको कोई विषय को मैडम अभी जियोग्राफी समझा रही थी. शी वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग जियोग्राफी. टेल मी in which language you are comfortable to understand the thing. Let me put my question. Hindi, English or Telugu? English. Understanding the thing. If you have any doubt, you are supposed to ask these doubts in home or not? To your parents? You are not asking anything to your parents? To your elders in school, home? Asking, na? Asking. You stand up. You. What's your name? Ram Prasad. If you have any doubt in classroom, you are going back to home, then you are asking those doubts to your parents or elder brother? Brother. In which language you are asking? English or Telugu? Both. Which language is comfortable? You get. In which language you are comfortable? Telugu. This is a question to my dear friend. Please, what's your experience?
Sir, when it comes to explanation, sir, terminology they will understand in English. The
right.
connecting sentences they wanted in Telugu. Like when they ask a doubt about plateau, they will say it as plateau only. And if it is a mountain, they will tell it as mountain only. Sir.
No, that's
in
fine.
between connecting sentences,
My query is understanding. My query is not about the question of the terminology. Understanding.
And that is
In which language you are comfortable to explain?
secondly I am English.
Not Telugu?
CBSE.
हमने जो भी हमारा टेक्स्ट बुक्स है सर
ये bilingual.
बाइलिंगुअल सो वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग इट सर हमने बाइलिंगुअल करा के वी आर डूइंग
ये सभी में टर्मिनोलॉजी
पहले इन्होंने इसमें QR कोड देके तेलुगु रखा था
हाँ जी सर हमने तेलुगु
पुराने गवर्नमेंट आपने उसको पेज लाया
लाया
बाइलिंगुअल बुक
बाइलिंगुअल बुक्स जो भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है घर को जाने के बाद पढ़ना है अगर कंफर्टेबल है और दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड अ वर्ड दे कैन कंपेयर ये इजी हो जाता है सर बच्चे को इसलिए वी हैव टू
even when teacher
Who is the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh? Not Nara Lokesh? Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ నాన్న బాయ్ బాగా చదవాలి నా భవిష్యత్తు మీ బాధ్యత బాయ్ నాన్న
दिनेश हमने भी ये क्लिकर कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लो हमने भी पढ़ाई किया क्लिकर में जियोग्राफी बुक उसको सोशल मीडिया में डालना ये छोटा क्लास है
yes, sir.
Our ICT budget, sir, recently we have established a Chromebook laboratory, sir, in addition to the tab lab for the PAL users, sir. The first demo lab we can send.
Chromebooks है ये
सर द रीज़न Chromebook हमें डिप्लॉय किया था कि एक तो लाइफ बड़ी लॉन्ग है डिवाइसेस की 7 साल एवरेज चलते हैं सिक्योरिटी वाइज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग और आप टीचर प्रोफाइल स्टूडेंट प्रोफाइल दोनों बना सकते हैं डिवाइस पे सो देयर इज अ स्पेसिफिक वर्जन क्रिएटेड फॉर द टीचर्स एंड वन फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स सो टीचर्स जब शेयर करेंगे उनको रीड ओनली एक्सेस मिलेगा बच्चों को बट जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स या इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर की जाएगी दैट बी 100% एक्यूरेट एज पर द टीचर टिपिकली AI में ये बहुत बड़ा इशू आता है तो उसलिए क्रोम से ये प्री कॉन्फ़िगर्ड हमने किया है लाइफ ऑफ द डिवाइस इज वेरी गुड सिक्योरिटी इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑन दिस डिवाइसेस दैट वाज
इंटेल का ही है
हाँ जी ये इंटेल का है अंदर इंटेल का प्रोसेसर
इंटेल का प्रोसेसर HP का कंप्यूटर
HP के डिवाइस है OS हमारा है गूगल का
गूगल क्रोम
सो इट्स अ प्री कॉन्फ़िगर्ड डिवाइस
एंड इंटेल का हार्डवेयर है
इंटेल प्रोसेसर है HP का पूरा हार्डवेयर है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम गूगल का है
गूगल
विद AI
with AI, so what I'm showing right now, Lokesh, is Notebook LM, which is the platform where teachers control what content students should have access to, and they can interact. For example, I've created a chemistry quiz here, and what I've done is I've only shared the video with the kids, not the overall thing. So this video will play, and the students can learn on how to engage with this video and things like that. So all those things are great. So this video is created completely by AI, and it takes about 3 to 5 minutes.
Who have curated this thing? Who has prompted this thing? Google.
Notebook LM ने automatically create किया है.
No, my point of clarification will be Gemini AI. Why don't it's an Indian character?
हाँ वो इंडियन कैरेक्टर कर रहा है
We will try it. We'll do it.
इसको
That's a good feedback.
कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया इसको कॉन्टेक्स्ट को प्रोबिंग में
Good feedback, sir.
इंडियन कैरेक्टर
Done. 100%.
एन इंडियन इकोसिस्टम वन
Indian ecosystem करके Indian examples देके करते हैं.
गुप्ता मैडम your boss is Ipsita Gupta.
We just implemented, sir. Ab we want to tie this in and
So one Chromebook 5 students can use, sir. So we will rotate the laboratory, sir. Even we can take this lab to the classroom, sir. So it's a automatic charging station there, sir. So even we can move.
अच्छा.
We can set it the timing, how much charging I want, how many days I can put it. So automatic.
and lock and key भी डाल दे sir.
Lock and key with this, sir.
So So every class can become a lab.
Lab. It's a mobile lab.
అయిపోయిందా వండేసారా తల్లి
अंडा करी
సంబల్ మెల్లిగా మెల్లిగా కంగారు పడద్దు తిప్పురా రైస్ రైస్
राइस अंडा करी
రసం
गिव मी अ कप विल हैव सम
కప్
रसम
తీసుకో అన్న 2 కప్పులు పక్కకి కంగారు పక్కకి लोकल वो उत्तरप्रति सर्वोपरि डिस्ट्रिक्ट मॉडल करके रागी मॉल्ट भी दे रहे हैं बच्चे को इन्नी रसम में मन साहब ఈ వస్తున్నాం అన్న చేశారా ముందులో క్వాలిటీ బాగుంది అంటున్నారు बाय नाना सो सर इधर से ఉంటా తల్లి థ్యాంక్ యూ నాన్న
थैंक यू
ఉంటాను తల్లి నేను కంగారెళ్ళా ఓకేనా
थैंक यू